between alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acids, you probably thought you had it all covered, right? Alpha hydroxy acids are great for anti-aging, beta hydroxy acids are great for acne. And then polyhydroxy acids popped up. So what are polyhydroxy acids? Which skin type are they best for? Let's break it down. Polyhydroxy acids are first and foremost a chemical exfoliant. They're actually a lot similar to alpha hydroxy acids, but they're meant to be less sensitizing to your skin. Polyhydroxy acids, also known as PHAs, help to exfoliate and smooth your skin, help with uneven skin tone, and actually attract water molecules. So as an added benefit, they moisturize your skin too. They're very reparative. So let's say you have an acne scar that won't go away, or maybe pigmentation from the sun that you just can't get rid of. This might be a really great ingredient for you to try. PHAs also slow down the cosmetic signs of aging. So as we get older, our collagen and elastin, which makes our skin look plump and glowy and supple, it weakens. This is inevitable, it's a fact of life, it just happens as we age, but PHAs are known to help slow down this process. Also, it can stimulate your skin's growth and repair process, so your skin will remain looking glowy and supple. Who doesn't want that? All right, I know what you're thinking. If they're so similar to AHAs, why do I need a PHA? And that is a great question. And the answer is actually quite simple. It's that PHAs are less irritating to your skin. So let's say you've been really wanting to try a chemical exfoliant to resurface your skin, but you've been a little bit hesitant because you feel like they're gonna be too much for your skin to handle. A PHA might be the perfect ingredient for you. PHAs repair the skin, so even if you have eczema or rosacea, using a PHA may benefit you even if other chemical exfoliants weren't a good fit. So great. We know now that polyhydroxy acids are an amazing ingredient that benefit everyone. But what if you want something a little bit stronger? The good news is that so many products actually combine alpha hydroxy acids and polyhydroxy acids for that 1-2 punch. So I like to think of it this way. We've got polyhydroxy acid and alpha hydroxy acid. They are sisters, not twins. They do have differences. They love to work together. They love to, they're kind of like work wives in a way. Let's take polyhydroxy. Poly is the girl at school that everybody likes. She's friends with everyone. She keeps it more surface level, but she's non-irritating, okay? That's why everybody's able to fall in love with her and like her. Then you have alpha hydroxy, and alpha, she likes to go a little bit deep. She's like a little intense for some people, and she might not be everybody's cup of tea, but once you get to know her and you fall in love with her and you hang out with her for a while, you will reap all of the benefits because she's a really great friend to have. Now that I've explained what a polyhydroxy acid is, it's recommendation time, my favorite part, because I know you're probably thinking, okay, now I want a product that has this ingredient in it. And I'm really excited because there is a brand new product that has just come out, and it's Bliss Renew and Smooth Glycolic and Polyhydroxy Acid Night Serum. Okay, so you've probably seen these ads all over Instagram. They're promoting their 2 new serums, one for day and one for night. One's the pink bottle, one's the blue bottle. And I love the daytime serum. I've been using it in conjunction with the nighttime one, but honestly, I am a huge fan of the night serum for a few reasons. This serum is super gentle and you're gonna be using it at night, right? So the next morning, you're gonna see the benefits in a few ways. A, your skin is going to appear brighter and glowy. B, it's gonna look more even toned and less pigmented. And C, your pores are going to appear smaller. So at this point, we know that pores, they exist. They don't shrink at all, ever. No matter what anybody tells you. And I know that people, don't like to show their pores on Instagram or social media or whatever because of Facetune, but it's okay to have pores. What I love about this product is that I noticed over, several weeks of using it, I could look in the mirror and my pores appeared smaller. That's a great benefit to using this product. So that was one of the things I loved about it. And that's because the glycolic acid and the polyhydroxy acid, the actual ingredient is called gluconolactone. They're working together in harmony to slough off your dead skin cells and create that renewed surface to your skin. This product also includes fruit acids, which help to retain moisture, and squalane, which is a moisturizing ingredient. So you're not gonna have to worry about that redness or ruddiness that you might get from other chemical exfoliants because it's gonna be more gentle to your skin. The other reason why I love this product is because it's strong enough to give you those results the next day and over time as you consistently use it, but also it's gentle enough that you can use it every single night, which is how I use it. However, I think when you first get started with this product, you should use it every other night, just to be safe. Okay, so when do you use this ingredient? Obviously at night, okay, A. And then B, it should come third in your routine. So cleanse your skin, then use an essence or a toner if you use one. I love a hydrating essence, so I always use a hydrating essence. Then I use the serum, and then I top it off with my moisturizer. Now, I guess it would technically be second in your routine if you don't use a toner or an essence. So keep it in that, 2 to 3 range. Also, I would suggest not combining it with another serum because this product already has 3 exfoliating ingredients in it. They pack a punch. They're definitely gonna work. So you don't wanna overload your skin. I've only used this product about 6 weeks. I say only because I like to test them for about, 6 to 8 weeks, but I've used it for 6 weeks. I've noticed my skin is a lot smoother. My pores look smaller. I have reactive skin. So if I, massage my face, if I put on anything on my face, my skin is going to be red or ruddy. And I did not experience that with this chemical exfoliant, which is a huge win for me. Also, I just wanted to say, if you're not a big fan of chemical exfoliators and you don't use them frequently, if you use this product, you might get a little bit of a purge, meaning your skin might break out a little bit. It's totally normal, especially if you don't use chemical exfoliators all that often. I would say push through it. If it persists for, a week and a half, then I would say you need to stop. You might be actually having a reaction to it and not a little purge. But for me, I don't have this problem. I use chemical exfoliants all the time and I love them, but your skin will be sensitive because even though PHAs don't make your skin sensitive to the sun, which is awesome, but it has that glycolic acid in there. So you don't want to have a sunburn. You don't want to risk it, especially since this guy has worked his magic overnight. He put in a lot of work to make your skin look good. Wear an SPF 30 no matter what the next day, okay? Okay, so where can you get the Renew and Smooth Serum? You can get it at Target, at Target, if you will. Listen, don't act like you're not gonna go to Target and pick up a bunch of things that you don't really need. Might as well pick up this little guy, which you do need, in my humble opinion. It's $27. So for me, I feel like this is an amazing price point for a powerful serum. I have plenty of other serums that are great, but are double this price. You get a lot of product, you only need 2 pumps of it. Overall, I think price point wise, great, easy to pick up, target.com. Bliss, thank you guys so much. This is my first sponsored video. When Bliss reached out, I'm a huge fan of the brand. I've been using these products for about 6 weeks now. It's really cool to talk about a product I really love in conjunction with a brand I really love. If you guys have any questions about polyhydroxy acids, how your skin might react, if it's better for oily skin or normal skin or sensitive skin or whatever it is, DM me. I'm here on Instagram at Kirby Johnson and on Twitter at Kirby Johnson and on Facebook too. I'm everywhere. Kirby Johnson TV. Hit me up. I hope I'll see you next time. We'll talk to you soon.